Hi all, this is Tyler Krompiatek from Canisius. In this video we will show how to grade a discussion with a rubric. Let's get started. Go to the Discussions tab. Before we grade the discussion topic, let's take a look at the discussion editor page for it. This topic is already in the gradebook. It also has a maximum point value of 20. The rubric is also already attached. If needed, a link to the video on adding a rubric can be found in the description. Back in the Discussions tab, click on the drop-down caret to the right of the discussion topic to grade. Select Assist Topic in the menu that appears. Click on Topic Score underneath the name of the student to grade. When we do, we should see a window similar to grading a Dropbox assignment. On the left is the student's response. On the right is the feedback and assessment. At the top of the right column is our rubric. Click on it. A drop-down will open with the rubric levels. Hovering over a level will give us a description of the level. If we add a default feedback, that will appear after we have selected the appropriate level. We can click on the text box for the feedback to edit it. Otherwise, we can click on Add Feedback to add feedback to that particular criterion. Additionally, we can click on a level again to deselect it. Scrolling down further, we see that the overall grade has already been filled out for us. D2L used the rubric levels to calculate this automatically. If we want to, we can also provide overall feedback. Then click on Publish. However, for the moment, we will hold off on publishing the rubric. On the right, I have the student's view. A few things to note. First, by default, students can see the rubric even before they have posted to the discussion board. Second, students can view the graded rubric for the discussion in two places. Note that the graded rubric must be published first. Primarily, students can go to the discussion topic. Then they can select View Graded Rubric. Additionally, students can go to the Grades tab. If we have the gradebook set up properly and the discussion connected, they can scroll down and find the particular grade item for the discussion. Then select View Graded Rubric. That's it for this video. If there are any questions or comments, please email us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great day.